Yeah, I know. The whole place is flooding.
Well, not over here, but...
A little bit. Look in front of your truck.
Yeah, like a little river going on.
Yeah. Oh my god. The rain's starting again. Whoop! I almost just fell. Holy crap. My poor flowers.
Yeah, I feel like I almost gotta like drill a hole here to let the water out.
Yeah.
You know?
The thing is, it's not even raining that bad right now, but like, when I woke up, it was pretty bad. Holy crap! I don't think you can see where it's like flooded on my camera.
Probably not.
Yeah, there you go. Car drove through it. Thanks, car. Who is that?
Psycho killer with no mask on.
I don't know who that is. Oh, that's one of the downstairs, isn't it?
I have no idea.
Whoever it is, I fucking hate you. I'm just kidding. No, it's downstairs. It's one of the 5 families that live in that apartment. Damn. Jesus. Hey, look, do you see where my car is?
Yeah.
You like that, right? I got it back. Front door parking. It's crazy. Okay, well, must be the rapture. We didn't go to heaven, so this is our...
So they're gonna die by water?
Yeah. Oh, it's a new family moving in downstairs with the other 5 families. I've never seen them before. My poor flowers.